Cool Kicks YouTube channel again at Puente Hills Mall because they have the only Champs outlet on the West Coast. Let's go. Sneaker section full from the bottom to the very top. They've gotten more and more sneakers. Pretty fire. I'm seeing running spikes. Never seen running spikes here. And then of course got plenty of running shoes as well. But I definitely need an update on the Mitchell and Ness over here. And they still got the UNC ones. Still got UNC authentic shorts, Mitchell and Ness for $20 freaking. That is crazy. Is that Marquette? They have Marquette shorts right there. Those are Marquette fleece shorts. That's definitely interesting. Behind it, they do have the Dodgers shorts right there, the Mitchell and Ness. Those are pretty fire. They had those in various sizes. And they still have the Chinese New Year 76ers, as well as the Los Angeles Lakers sketch. Those are going for $30. So those are going for $30. Got the Bel Air Academy jerseys. Those are Mitchell and Ness, go for $30. Got the matching shorts right there for $20. And then got the Lakers Chinese New Year Shaq jersey right there going for $40. They got the sketch jersey going for $50. Obviously limited sizing on those. Seems like they got a few sizes of those. CSG, this is Champ Sports Gear. $5 for these shorts. These are normally 40 freaking bucks. I might have to get one. These look comfortable. These are black. These are just black cargo shorts. Fleece cargo shorts. They are fleece though. So comfortable as hell. They got camo ones, $5. Multiple different colors of camo. Yeah, I might have to grab these for $5. Do they have different sizes? They got small, they got medium. For the black, I only see smalls and mediums. So it does look like they are somewhat limited in sizing. Okay, no love for the large, extra large. Yeah, small, medium on the red as well. Yep, dang it. Searching through their gear, they do have quite a lot of stuff. $30 rack right here. Look at this. Look at this. Do have one of the Dodgers Pro Standard sweats right here. Normally $100 down to $30. That is an XL. That is a pretty freaking fire find. Wow. They got Nike. Was it track pants right here? Nike track pants with the orange hits going for $80. Oh, they got another one. They got another one right here in a medium too. Okay. I know these are pretty tapered. Like they're tapered a lot, so they're pretty thin down low. But $100 down to $30. Dodger fans, that is what's up. That's what's up. Got these camo Nike sweats right here. These are fired actually. These are pretty dope. Got some Nike track pants right here. They got pretty decent variety for $30 freaking. All right, we're moving on to the sneakers. Did want to share these. All these New Era beanies right here. They only have 2 teams though. Chargers, New Era right here. That's an interesting material right here. And then they got this material. This is just the regular fleece for the Clippers. $10. $10 for these. That is definitely a steal. I think this is the one where I got the Lakers, right? I got a Lakers one similar to this with all the different patches, map, all that stuff. But yeah, we definitely got to move on to the sneakers. Definitely have a good selection. All right, this is the first thing I did check up on. This is a size 13. Last time I came here 2 weeks ago, they only had a size 10 and a half. So did ask about these. Nah, man, only a size 13. And they got a couple other colorways. This is a 10 and a half right here. They also got a Kyrie low 5 right there. Got a couple of 6 rings, and then look at this, $100 for these bad boys. Come on, dog. $100 for these bad boys right here. The 11 low IEs. We saw this for $100, I think at Shoe Palace as well. But yeah, $100. That's what's up. Got a couple of Team Jordans here and there with the Deltas or something like that. 200s. Then dude got the 312s right here, go for $100. Not bad. Got the Zoom Freaks right there. Got LeBrons. What's the price on these LeBrons? I don't know. There's 60 right here, so I wouldn't be surprised if all those are going for 60. The GT Jumps for $80. That is kind of crazy. If they had some other colorways, maybe I might think about these for somebody. Got some Cosmic Unities right here going for hella cheap. And then these are these the Antetokounmpo, the Immortality 3s? I feel like these just came out. What are these normally, 90 or 85? So okay, only $5 off. They're just trying to get it out, I guess. Do got the Flight 95s right here, the Jason Kidds, then Hirachis, and then Prestos right here. Always Prestos going for hella cheap lately. The boots are still here. Size 8 for these bad boys. I'm gonna see if they have my size. Do I need them? No. Like, would it be nice? Yes. So I'm gonna see if I should grab those. Black Friday's just right on the corner though. Now I'm gonna have to spend money for that. Let me check though. Moving on to the Adidas. Do got the D-Rose up there. Got the Donovan Mitchells. These are the volume 2s, right? Volume 3s, like I said, volume 3s. Do got the Kobe ones, aka crazy ones right there. Got the Trae Young 2s that we've seen at Ross, Burlington, Marshalls. Still got these on sale. Kind of mad I got these. Well, I got them for $80. I guess I can't complain. Then the Donovan issue 4s right here, the Xbox version. Dang it, they did check on the sizing. Only have an 8.5, up to 8.5. My bad, 8 to 8.5. Dang it, I guess I should have checked. What, like 2-3 weeks ago when I first came. Dang it. That is what happens when you try to get deals on everything. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? NMDs. Got more and more NMDs, holy cow. And the interesting thing, look at this. These are the ones that I grab for $40. I grabbed these for $40 at the, what did I get? I think at Northridge. Yeah, I grabbed these for $40 at Northridge. Kind of insane to see these for $100 here. Yeah, that's insane. That's interesting. Then do got the Stan Smiths right here, the South Park ones. Couple of Superstars. All right, so we're gonna move on to the hoodies, and then we'll get back to the sneakers in a bit. But yeah, I just saw someone pick one of these up. These flight hoodies. These normally go for what, $90 or something? $95, I think. And they're getting rid of them for $30. There's a couple of sizes here. I think this is a small. Oh, so it is a small and a small. That's all they got. That is fire. That's so dope. They got the Jordan Wheaties hoodies right there. They got those for $40. Bunch of Jordan shorts going for $20. Then got this army green hoodie right here. Normally $85 down to $40. I was like, where the arms go, doggies? Where the arms at, man? What jacket is this? I've never seen this jacket. This is a Nike jacket right here. Tag says $140. Is that going for $40 as well? All kinds of hoodies right there. All kinds of hoodies. Look, I'm being nosy. Look, I see Mitchell and S. Bunch of Mitchell and S. Bunch of Nike. Holy crap. That's some fire stuff right there. If y'all live around here, y'all should be stopping by. I was just saying, I don't know if I was supposed to see all that, but y'all should be stopping by. They're gonna have racks and racks of that stuff out here. That's gonna be freaking fire. Holy cow. I don't know when that's gonna take place, but yeah, definitely gonna have to look out for that. All right, yeah, let's go back to the sneakers. I don't see anything crazy in the apparel section. Going back to the men's, they still got these here, size 11, the 574s. This one got that extra long hair suede, which I'm a huge fan of. Then they also got these 574s right here with the regular leather and then like a synthetic nylon type of thing on the toe box right there. $90 down to $60 right there. Michigan State colorway with the gum bottom right there. They got the navy. I don't know what school has that color. I don't know. Then they got these right here, some of the OG colorway right here. That's like one of the older ones. $50. Yeah, and see, the retail is $80 because now they're up to what, $95 or something like that. Got some super soft material on it. $50. That's not bad. Then of course, we got the MB1s, MB2s right there. The Adizero Boston 2s, which are Some really serious running shoes. Normally $160 down to $100. That's what's up. Then got some, I don't know, less elite stuff right here. These are normally $140. The Boston 10s. These are Boston 10s. These are down to $50. And the RSX, look at that. If you're into RSX, these are pretty comfortable. Some dad shoes. I do have one pair of those. Only because it was $20, but yeah, 30, and then 50 and 60, 70 for those. They got the bait one for 80. They got the Puma Premier running shoe right here. These normally go for $150. These are down to $80. Color's kind of crazy. The midsole super soft. Okay. Do got the Street Fighter Shack Attack right here with the Capcom logo and all that stuff. And then do got the Answer 4s right there. Then we got Iversons. I don't remember what this was going for. Like 60, 70. Got these going for 50, the 25th anniversary. Kamikaze 2s. And a couple of the other pumps that I'm really not into. Vans deals. I do remember coming here 2 weeks ago. They said very limited on sizing, but they do get additional stuff. I doubt they got that many other sizes. The boots right here. Got more boots up top. Converse up there. In the women's section, do got the 4Ds right here. Normally $2. Got Ultra Boost right here. Those normally $180 or something like that. Got those Ultra Boost as well. $80 for those. Got Web Boost. NMDs right here. Okay. Vapor Max right there. Got Vans right there. What the hell are these? Shoes made out of carpet, apparently. 75 down to 40. These are some Pumas. Never seen these before. Grade school size right here. $60 for those. Vapor Max go for $100. $30 right here for the Speed Turf. Got Iversons right here down to $30. And then I did show you guys these a while back. I did grab a couple of these for the niece nephews. $5 freaking dollars, dude. $5 for those. And they still do have these Crocs at a pretty decent discount. $30 for these. I grabbed one of these for my kiddo. These are going for $30. Ammo ones for $30 if you guys need a hide. They do got these Champion ones. These kind of depend on the prices, depend on size. $30 for those. These are $20. And then I believe these are both $30 because I did check. Yeah, $30 for those as well. All right, they do got a hell of a selection here. Definitely worth visiting, you guys. It's definitely worth a drive, even if you're not in the area, especially if you need apparel and stuff like that. Sneaker deals, pretty fire, but their selection, it's gonna vary depending on the silhouette and stuff like that, with the size and stuff like that. But that's pretty much about it. You guys. We're gonna wrap it up, man. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna be back here on Black Friday because I'm so curious on when they're gonna bring out those other jerseys and stuff like that. But pretty fire selection, pretty fire prices, and yeah, that's definitely a place to stop by. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Do drop tons and tons of videos. Got plenty of videos coming. I'm gonna hit the Ross Burlington right here on a separate video, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys really want to support the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and check that membership button. I'm gonna do other stuff. I don't have that many members yet, but I did plan on having other stuff. So hope you guys want to help your boy out, because you know your boy needs some help on gas and stuff too. So yeah, got plenty coming, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.